Thank you for bringing the plastic in my room. You put it in the garbage bag? In the garbage can? Good job. How did you know that I'm gonna use it for that? How did you know? Huh? Oh my goodness. Did you hear that, Daddy? Kaya daw niya nalaman na walang nakailangan ko yun sa garbage because you don't have any in your trash. Ken. Ang talino talaga nito.
Garbage, where you put all the garbage.
Very smart. Very smart girl.
You also have to put out your garbage, and then the garbage truck will pour it in the back of
The garbage can? The garbage guy? Yeah. Why you don't want milk in your cereal? Because you don't want to.
Because you don't like milk.
She doesn't like milk. You should like milk because you're still growing.
No, I'm growing because I'm drinking. Wait, that's in my hand. Yeah.
Binilihan daw ni Judy ng milk na na low fat and 2% fat. In-spit out daw ni Kira. In-spit out daw, sabi daw it tastes so different. Ay, what happened? How come Mommy said that you don't want low-fat milk? Why? Because you want a natural, regular one? You don't like a low-fat?
I like milk.
You like milk? Yeah, because you guys are still growing.
I'm growing, but Kira's not.
Alam mo, meron kang puto na gustong-gusto mo, hindi mo naman kinakain. Lagi ka na lang nag-aaksaya ng pagkain. What are you doing, Kira? Did your mom trim your nails? Wag naman, you don't tease her. Okay, it's okay. She's just kidding.
Ano? Pero mo naman.
Ano nangyari? Kalilinis lang ng bahay, huwag ka na mag-vacuum.